Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Adni binti Mama Azani from 3JM. So today I will show you guys how to make burnt cheesecake. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. So the ingredients are cream cheese, caster sugar, 3 eggs, cornstarch, whipping cream, vanilla compound, and a 6-inch pan that's covered with baking paper parchment. Firstly, add 420 grams of cream cheese which was released at least 3 hours before use into the container. Next, beat the soft cream cheese at least for 3 minutes. After that, add 130 of custard sugar into the container. Then, blend it until the sugar has completely dissolved and looks fluffy. Then, add 3 eggs one by one into the container. After that, mix them one by one so that we will get the smooth batter. Next, add a vanilla compound at least 5 drops to eliminate the smell of eggs. Before we mix, add cornstarch and mix them slowly until it's well combined. Lastly, add 135 whipping cream. And then mix them together until it will combine. Then turn the dough in the container into the pan. Place the dough into the oven that has a temperature of 200 Celsius. Then leave it for 1 hour and your cake is done. Place the cake on the cake board and sprinkle the cake with icing sugar or icing donut. Finally, your cake is done and ready to eat.